Hello. I am Clipfish, your host. Welcome to the third board, my master's chess channel. In today's video, we will see the conclusion of the game played between Siegbert Tarrasch and Max Weiss, in 1888. If you did not watch part 1, I recommend you watch it first. So, let's continue the game. Siegbert Tarrasch has white and moves the rook to c2, defending the b2 pawn. However, this move also allows black to execute an interesting combination. Max Weiss has black and can sacrifice a piece, expel the white king from behind his pawns, and recuperate material by taking one of white's rooks. There is not material gain, but the position changes drastically. Did you find the combination? If you find it, congratulations! In the game, black decides to execute it. The game continues with bishop to g4, sacrificing the bishop. White's next four moves are forced. H takes on g4. Queen to h2 check. King to f1. Rook takes on b3. A takes on b3. Queen to h1 check. King to e2. Queen takes on a1. And the combination ends here. It seems that Weiss evaluated this position satisfactory for black, otherwise he would not have started it. But, how do you evaluate the resulting position? Do you agree with him? Do you like what you see? In the game, Tarrasch saw far than his opponent, or evaluated the position better than him. The bishop sacrifice was a mistake. When Weiss sacrificed the bishop on g4, he played as Tarrasch wished for. And now, black shall lose the game. White plays g5. Knight to d7. Bishop takes on h7 check. King takes on h7. Queen to f5 check. King to g8. Queen takes on d7, capturing the knight. Black plays rook to b8. g6. Queen to h1. It is impossible to defend the f6 pawn without losing more material. If black takes the g6 pawn, white would play queen e6, capturing the bishop. If the black rook goes to f8, to defend the pawn, then g takes on f7, rook takes on f7, and queen to e8, taking the bishop. If the black king goes to h7 instead, the white queen would go to f5, again winning the unfortunate bishop. And, if the black king goes to h8, the white queen would go to h3 with mate. Back to the game. Queen takes on f7 check. King to h8. Queen to f5. Bishop to d6. Rook to c1. Queen to h2. Rook to c4. Rook to f8. Queen to g5. And, in this position, Max Weiss resigned. He resigned because white threatens rook to h4 check, winning the black queen. If the black queen leaves the h-file, then white will play queen to h5 check. And after that, the white queen goes to h7, mate. Did you like this game? I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. My master and I wish you success in your chess. Thank you and see you again.